A gate that thinks for your family's safety. Discover how VRG gate openers combines convenience and security to protect your loved ones. Operate your gate effortlessly with a remote or app, making it easier for everyone in the family. Pets crossing the gate. No problem. The sensor detects movement and keeps them safe from harm. No more worries about gates closing accidentally. Auto reverse ensures your children are always safe while playing around the gate. Smart sensors add an extra layer of security, so you can rest easy knowing your loved ones are protected. No more running to manually check the gate or worrying about who's near it. With a simple remote or app, the gate offers convenience for every family. Feel the relief of knowing your kids and pets are safe, your home is secure, and your life is made easier, all with VRG automatic gate openers. Safety, convenience, and security all in one. Join the families who have made their homes safer and more convenient with Vallis Remote Gate.